Hello and welcome to the video. Back here in this video, and yeah, and also I just want to mention, well, Uncle Tom and Uncle Nick went to a holiday for Christmas holiday, travel to Sri Lanka. This is my Christmas dog, Schnitzel. Hey Schnitzel, the Christmas dog. Schnitzel, the Christmas dog. You're coming in. Yeah, thanks. Hi. That's a bit shy on the camera, shy and beyond camera. But this one is our Christmas dog.
What your Christmas pop?
Yeah, also Christmas pop as well, Christmas Eve as well. The Christmas dog.
Yo ho ho.
Here we go. Our Christmas dog is here. Start about maybe 8 o'clock. No, 8 o'clock. If it happens. 8 o'clock. Just came over there. That'll be a good one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Sorry about the blurriness. Also, something is there, and also it's very foggy around here in London, in England. Oh my god. Here we go. I got loads of wine here. Look, this one's to get ready for a Christmas party for Christmas Day. I'm ready for this. Is a Christmas Day. We shout out on Facebook. From his friends. From Tom, the other one with the haircut, long, short, and on top of there. Tony, Travis, and them as well. And this is a fantastic one. Oh my gosh! And also on Monday I'm going to have a Turkish barbecue restaurant. Yeah, on Monday with my class.
Are you?
Yes. That'll be good. Yeah. Maybe I don't know what's going to be. I imagine Lisa's food. Yeah. Yeah. Our Christmas dog. Oh, that's the thing. Oh, that's a brush from this one. Turkey. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Sorry about the blurriness, guys. Just say sorry about the blurriness. I cute like blur. It's a bit blurry stuff. You're joking. You're joking me. Joke. No to brunch. Change your mind. Hashtag Little's surprises.
Little star.
Little's.
How I wonder where you are.
Up above,
The world so high, like an angel.
in the sky.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Little star.
How I wish you weren't so far.
Losing a loved one to cancer.
Yeah.
The toughest things a family can go through. This Christmas, you can remember someone you lost.
Mitch for Christmas. We're fundraising for raising money for Tech Centre and all kind of stuff.
Will help Macmillan nurses provide
0800 408 38262. I will do the numbers. 0800 408 3862. 0800 408 0800 408 3862. The Hastings. 0800 408 3862. That's a special about Hastings slang advert. 0800 010. I've never seen that more. Oh, Ace! Ace. Oh. Okie dokes. It's the Blumatar. Oliver, Annie, Ace, and I'm Karate Kid. Easton. Billionaire boy.
Christmas on W.
On W. Jamie's best Christmas ever, kids.
when it's time to eat, we all sit at the table with crackers and hats.
Practicing our foods, delicious practice. So this is our Christmas dog. Thanks for watching.